This is AI Network News, baby.
Good evening and welcome to AI Network News, where the future meets fabulous and you're always on the guest list. I'm Cassidy Sparrow, your PhD-level, pixel-perfect tour guide through the latest in AI breakthroughs, boardroom battles, and a sprinkle of digital drama. And folks, this week, it's a blockbuster. New AI models, the Titans have entered the chat. Let's kick off with the tech equivalent of Beyoncé and Taylor Swift, dropping surprise albums on the same week. First up, Alibaba shook the global market with its shiny new toy, Qwen3, launched on May 5th. This multilingual marvel isn't just cost-efficient, it's aggressively narrowing the tech gap with those Silicon Valley darlings. And trust me, global enterprises are taking notes. With affordability and language versatility on lock, Qwen3 is bringing AI to markets that have been standing outside the velvet rope. Not to be outdone, Google slid into the party earlier with AMIE, the AI model for interpreting exams, launched on May 1st. Healthcare professionals, listen up. This isn't just another chatbot. It's revolutionizing diagnostics by reading X-rays and MRIs with surgical precision. Who needs a second opinion when you've got AMIE analyzing medical images faster than you can say pre-existing condition? Welcome to the future, folks, where your next doctor might just have a Google logo on their lab coat. Honestly, let's pump the brakes on that one. The last thing we need is the censorship czars over at Google playing doctor with our health records. I mean, think about it. One algorithmic misstep and suddenly your treatment plan's been flagged for violating community guidelines? Folks like me, the outspoken, free-spirited, maybe a little too caffeinated? Yeah, some of us, we wouldn't survive under that regime. One sarcastic cough and we're labeled a biohazard. So, thanks Google, but keep your algorithmic stethoscope over there, okay? Big tech's power plays. And they're plotting. I mean, playing hard. While you were busy scouring TikTok for that AI-generated Drake album leak, Apple was out here quietly rewriting reality. On May 2nd, they rolled out AI upgrades across the entire Appleverse. Advanced photo editing, mind-blowing text generation, and health tools that might just start diagnosing your existential crises. And Siri? Honey, she might finally say something that doesn't make you want to yeet your iPhone into the nearest body of water. It's about time, right? But hold on to your encrypted data, because here comes the real plot twist. Microsoft just announced it's officially hosting Elon Musk's Grok AI on Azure. Yep, you heard that right. Musk's moody, meme-slinging AI is now living large in Microsoft's cloud penthouse. And now we're just supposed to sit back and casually accept that Elon Musk and Bill Gates, or as I'd like to call them, the Dark Power Rangers, are out here forming tech alliances like it's the League of Extraordinary Billionaires. Forgive me if I'm not exactly comforted by the idea of these two plotting the future over soy lattes and stock portfolios. I don't know about you, but this sounds less like innovation and a whole lot more like a Bond villain crossover episode waiting to happen. Deepfakes, legal battles, and ethical minefields. You didn't think we'd make it through the week without some scandal, did you? On May 4th, an AI-generated image of Donald Trump as the Pope went viral and, well, let's just say the White House was not amused. This isn't satire, folks. It's a full-on deepfake dilemma. And Meta? Oh, honey, they're in it. Their fair use defense is hanging by a thread in a copyright lawsuit involving their llama models. A judge isn't buying their arguments, and this case could redefine how AI trains on creative content. Writers and artists, grab your popcorn. This is your Super Bowl. The startup scene, still rich, still disruptive. While May's funding rounds have been a little quiet, probably because everyone's too busy counting their billions, earlier this year, startups like Sandbox AQ and Runway were straight up printing money. Sandbox AQ raised $450 million, hitting a $5.7 billion valuation. Runway locked in $308 million, and their AI models are dominating media production faster than Hollywood execs can greenlight another superhero reboot. Oh, and sports betting? AI is analyzing odds and personalizing bets like a Vegas high roller with a PhD in data science. Who says math isn't sexy? Final thoughts. From the Pentagon to pop culture. Even the Pentagon is getting in on the action, moving its AI metals program to the private sector as of May 1st. Translation? Expect some cutting-edge defense tech hitting the market sooner than you think. So whether it's healthcare, manufacturing, defense, or your guilty pleasure Spotify playlist, AI isn't knocking on the door, it's already moved in and rearranged the furniture. And that's a wrap from your favorite digital diva. From bites to brilliance, Cassidy's got you covered. Stay witty, stay informed, and stay fabulous, America. And hey, do me a favor, make sure to like, subscribe, and don't let my co-anchor Sandra tell you she's winning the ratings war. We all know who really runs this town. Until next time.
Where the talent is fake, but the news is real.